First of all, I paid y'all $1 million. $1 million. I think a little over $1 million. But this invoice of what y'all suing me for put y'all well over $1 million. And I didn't even go to trial. I pled guilty. I pled guilty to something I had a little involvement in the first place. And I only had my name on 5 pages of discovery. So out of the million or whatever pages of discovery that y'all read,
G Herbo has been charged over $1 million by his attorneys. What type of attorneys did he have that they would feel it is appropriate to charge him over $1 million? And in addition to that, G Herbo actually went to jail and had to plead guilty. So he pled guilty, served time, but he still has a huge attorney's bill. How did this happen? Well, in this video, I'm going to break down the 3 ways that a law firm can charge their client and also delve into what the likely issue is. So, Herbo intimated that his attorneys were charging him hourly fees. So, what is that? That's one of the 3 types of ways that lawyers can charge fees. So the first way, hourly fee, means that they're charging him by the hour, and depending on the type of seniority that the particular lawyer has who is on his case will indicate or dictate how much they can charge. For example, if it's a partner at a huge New York law firm, they can charge up to $2,000 plus an hour. That means that if they work for 10 hours on a case, that will be a charge of $20,000 out the gate. So obviously that can stack up very quickly. The problem with the hourly rate is that it gives an incentive to firms to essentially spend as much time as possible on your case, even when it could be completed sooner, because obviously they will have billing targets that they have to reach, and in order to reach that target, your case is going to be the meal ticket. So this could be the situation that G Herbo found himself in. However, I'm not privy to the facts and it's not clear exactly what occurred. He's simply given his side, and that could be part of it. The firm may have dragged the case out. The other 2 ways that law firms charge fees are giving a fixed fee. That's the second way. A fixed fee is essentially agreement that for your particular case you will be charged a set amount, and that is typically done in stages. For example, if it's a criminal case, there'll be a set charge for the lawyer to work on and appear for the bail hearing. There'll be a set charge if there's a preliminary hearing, and then also trial. And the good part about it is that it gives you certainty, which would have allowed G Herbo to avoid the situation which he found himself in, which is that he stated that he was uncertain, or intimated that he was not expecting the fee to be as high as it was. A fixed fee would have done away with that. The other type of charge that a lawyer can apply to a client is a retainer. A retainer is a regular charge, regular, monthly, or even annually if you agree with a firm to do it that way. Regular charge for a set amount for lawyers to act for you. This is typically done for corporations, for example, or business people who need legal representation and want to have a lawyer on hand that can deal with the case, even though they may not have anything pending. Something may come up in the future, and the retainer will ensure that the lawyer is able to jump on the file immediately and get to work. So that is the main 3 ways that fees are typically charged. But Herbo apparently has not been pleased with the way that his fees have been charged. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.